Let's discuss converse of this theorem. And its converse states that the line drawn to the center of a circle to bisect a chord is perpendicular to the chord. So let's figure out the given condition. We are given a circle C with center F2 and radius R, and a line L is passing through the center to bisect a given chord AB at D. So this AD equals to BD. For all this, we have to show that this line L is perpendicular to the chord AB also. So we have to prove this angle ADO is equals to angle BDO, and each of 90 degree, so that L is line L is perpendicular to the chord AB. So let's prove it. In order to prove it, we have to join center O to the extremes of chord AB. So we join center O to A and B. And now we observe the triangle ODA and triangle ODB. So in triangle ODA and triangle ODB, in these two triangles we have this OA equals to OB, region, radii of same circle, and this AD equals to BD, we are given and this side OD is common to both. So this OD equals to OD, region common. Therefore, triangle ODA is found congruent to triangle ODB under side, triple S4. Therefore, triangle ODA is found congruent to triangle ODB by triple S rule. So it implies that this angle ODA equals to angle ODB. Angle ODA equals to angle ODB. By CPCP. And these two angles, angle ODA and angle ODB, are linear pair of angles as well. That's why their sum would be 180 degree. And angle ODA plus angle ODB equals to 180 degree. Reason, linear pair of angles. On using angle ODA equals to angle ODB in this relation, this sum we got, angle ODA plus this could be replaced by angle ODA. So it is 2 times of angle ODA, or this ODA we could replace by ODB also. So this sum would be 2 times of angle ODB also. So on using this relation in angle ODA plus angle ODB equals to 180, we get to know this sum is 2 times of angle ODB or 2 times of angle ODA is equals to 180 degree. And on dividing all sides of this relation by 2, we get to know this angle ODA, ODB equals to angle ODA equals to 180 upon 2, 90. So on dividing all sides by 2, we get angle ODB equals to angle ODA, and this 180 divided by 2 is 90. So as angle ODA equals to angle BDO or ODB and each of them is 90 degree, so we could declare that yes, the line L passing through the center O and bisecting the chord AB at D is perpendicular to the chord. Thus, the line L is perpendicular to the chord AB. That's true. So remember that if a perpendicular is drawn from center to a chord, so it bisects the chord always, and if a line is drawn to the center of a circle to bisect the chord, then this particular line L would be perpendicular to the chord always. That's it.